You've seen it. Zcash up more than 340% this month, hitting levels not seen since 2021. And while most coins are crashing, this one keeps glowing green. Why? Because when governments tighten control, people start looking for places to hide. Zcash isn't just another crypto. It's a privacy coin, built to make your money invisible. And now, the world might finally need that again. Let's break it down. Zcash, ticker ZEC, is a cryptocurrency launched in 2016 with one mission: to make financial privacy possible again. Think of Bitcoin, but with a cloak of invisibility. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, but with Zcash, you can choose what stays public and what stays hidden. It uses something called zero-knowledge proofs, a cryptographic trick that lets you prove a transaction happened without showing who sent it, who received it, or how much was moved. It's like showing a receipt without revealing what you bought. Here's the problem Zcash was born to solve. Bitcoin isn't really anonymous. It's pseudonymous. Every wallet, every move, every link, visible to anyone who looks hard enough. Governments, companies, even your nosy cousin can trace your payments. Privacy coins flipped that script. They said, money doesn't need surveillance to be honest. That freedom made it powerful and controversial. And they're not all built the same way. Some go full stealth, others give you options. Let's put it simply, not all privacy coins play by the same rules. Monero is totally private. You can't choose to be watched even if you wanted to. Zcash is private on demand. You decide what stays visible and what disappears. Dash and Horizon sit in the semi-private zone. Privacy's there if you ask politely. And Beam and Grin take the minimalist route. Privacy through simplicity, no drama attached. Different designs, same rebellion. Because in crypto, privacy isn't a feature, it's a philosophy. So why the sudden 340% surge? Because the world's getting paranoid again. Last week, the U.S. Department of Justice seized 127,000 Bitcoin, the largest crypto confiscation ever, linked to a cross-border scam between China and Cambodia. Meanwhile, Japan is drafting laws to criminalize crypto insider trading, tightening surveillance across the board. Result? Smart money started hiding, moving toward coins that can't be traced. While most tokens bled, privacy coins like Monero, XMR, and Zcash, ZEC, turned green. Zcash's open interest jumped 7% overnight, as traders bet that when everything becomes traceable, privacy becomes valuable. Because every crackdown creates its own escape hatch. Here's what actually makes Zcash different. It runs two types of addresses: T addresses, transparent like Bitcoin; Z addresses, shielded like a digital safe. You can move between the two at any time. Behind the curtain, it uses ZKS NARKS, zero knowledge, succinct, non-interactive arguments of knowledge. Yeah, sounds like wizardry, and it kind of is. It lets you prove a transaction is real without revealing who, where, or how much. No middlemen, no metadata, no breadcrumbs. That's why some regulators fear it, and privacy advocates defend it like it's the last honest form of crypto. But here's the catch. Privacy coins work too well. Exchanges keep delisting them under government pressure. Banks refuse to integrate them. And headlines call them criminal tools. But the truth is more complicated. The same tech that hides stolen money also protects whistleblowers, dissidents, and citizens under surveillance. Zcash wasn't built to break the law. It was built to remind the system that privacy is a right, not a red flag. Here's what really matters. Zcash just proved privacy isn't dead. It's in demand. Zero-knowledge proofs are shaping the next wave of blockchain tech. Regulations are tightening, and privacy coins are rising in response. This isn't just a pump, it's a protest. Because every time power tries to see everything, people invent new ways to disappear. And this time, Disappearing might be bullish. Zcash made money invisible, but now institutions want to do the same, legally. While privacy coins build shields, banks are building blockchains. Next episode, why SWIFT is testing Linea and MetaMask is betting on it. Because the war between transparency and control is only getting started.